It's easy to schedule changes to product collections by Metafield date. Let's walk through this simple automation and make it happen. Start with the built-in schedule trigger. Next, pull in products from a Shopify collection like Coming Soon. Filter out any empty results so the workflow only processes valid products. Loop through each product and retrieve its published date Metafield. If the published date matches today, the product is ready to move. First, we need to clear the Metafield using a transform step, then acquire the custom collection and the specific product so we can use their ID values later. Then we can remove the product from its current collection using those IDs. And finally, add it to a new collection, like new arrivals. Once it's all set, enable the workflow and run a test to confirm it works as expected. Now your product collections can stay up to date automatically. So, get MESA, the fully supported AI platform to help you automate more work. Make it happen today at getmesa.com.